All right, so you have three things you have to charge when you get your DJI. One is the headset, so let's plug that one in. You only get one USB-C cord with it, so it's kind of dumb. You're also going to need a micro SD card for this. Then you've got to charge your batteries. Now I put all three of them in here. Let me show you. They just slide in like that, right? And then you plug it in here on the one side. You should see these light up, right? Then you got to charge your controller, and that's on the bottom. So now we've got to plug that in. All right, so now we've got everything plugged in. You can see it's charging. On here, I don't really see any. Oh, over here, you can see it's pulsating. So we'll just leave those to charge, right? And once they're charged, then we can go out and fly our drone. We're gonna need a USB-C. I happen to have one right here. And I'm gonna, you got a 50-50 shot here. Will it go in this way? No. So it looks like I gotta put it gold out towards the front of it. Yeah, you see how it bounces like that? And then you just push it in with your thumb if you can get it. There, we got it. All right, so we got our card in and we're charging. We'll come back in a little while and take a look at it. All right, it looks like everything is charged. Here's our drone, right? We set it right there. And you can see we've got a full light there. We got full lights here, and this light has gone out. So that must mean it's ready to ride. So I'm thinking that we can go outside and try this bad boy out. What do you guys think? And see what we think about this drone. I think I might have to take the cover off of it. Maybe not, but we'll figure that out in a minute.